Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to remove the CapCut watermark on your phone. So here I already have my CapCut open. For the next step, you just need to take a look on the setting buttons here. Just click it and please focus on add default ending. You just need to make sure does the add default ending in the active mode or in the inactive mode. If green, if the color of this button is green, means that the add default ending is on, so there will be a watermark in the end of your project. But if you turn it off, you will make it gone, so you just need to confirm discard. And when it's turned off, the color of the button will be changed into gray. And let's have a check by start the new project and choose a random video that we have here. Let's say we will do a scenery like this and add. Please take a look in the end of this project, and there is no more CapCut watermark in our project. That's all the way how you remove the watermark of the CapCut on your application. If you find this really useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.